Welcome Junior 5 to Session 3 of second term, Operation of Natural Numbers, Multiplication and Division. First, multiplication operation on n. The multiplication operation is related to addition operation as we know. For example, 4 times 3 equal, yes, 4 plus 4 plus 4. And to find the product of 4 times 3 on number line, we will use the relation between the addition operation and the multiplication operation. First, start from 0 and move 4 units to the right. We reach number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move another 4 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another 4 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 till I reach to number 12. Then 4 times 3 is equal 12. Properties of multiplication on n. Closure property. Closure property. The product of any two natural numbers is a natural number. That means the multiplication operation is always possible in n, and n is closed under the multiplication operation always. That means if 2 is a natural number and 5 is a natural number also, then if I multiply 2 times 5 equal 10, 10 is also a natural number. Commutative property. Changing the place of factors doesn't affect the product. The multiplication operation of natural numbers is commutative. That means 3 times 4, they are two factors, equal 12. If I replaced the two factors and let them 4 times 3, then the product is also 12. That means 3 times 4 is equal 4 times 3. Another example, 6 times 4 equal 48. And if I replace the two factors and let them 8 times 6, it's also equal 48. The result doesn't change, so that means the multiplication operation is commutative. Associative property. The factors can be grouped in any order and the result is always the same. That means the multiplication operation of natural numbers is associative. 7 times 3 times 5 equal, open two brackets and put 7 times 3 inside them, times 5 equal 21 times 5 equal 105. 7 times 3 times 5 equal 7 times, open two brackets and put 3 times 5 inside them, then 7 times 15 equal 105, which means after we applied the associative property, the result doesn't change. Addition identity or additive neutral. The multiplicative identity or multiplicative neutral. The value of any natural number doesn't change if we multiply it by 1. That means 1 is the multiplicative neutral element in n. For example, 1 times 6 equals the same number equals 6, and 6 times 1 is equal 6. Multiplication by 0. The product of any number by 0 equal 0. 5 times 0 equal 0 times 5 equal 0. 35 times 0 equal 0 times 35 equal 0. Distribution of multiplication over addition property. The multiplication operation distributes over addition in n. As in the example, 2 times 3 plus 5 between two brackets equal 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 3 plus 5 equal 2 times 3 plus 2 times 5 equal 6 plus 10 equal 16. Remark: we can generalize the distribution of multiplication operation over addition operation for any number between brackets. 5 times 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 equal 2 times 5 plus 5 times 5 plus 5 times 3 plus 5 times 4 equal 10 plus 25 plus 15 plus 20 equal 70. Multiplication distributes over subtraction if only the subtraction is possible. Here we have some notes. Even number times even number equal even number. 2 times 4 equal 8. 2 is even number, 4 is an even number, and 8 also is an even number. Odd times odd equal odd. 3 is an odd number times 5 is an odd number. The result is 15, and 15 also is an odd number. Even times odd equal even. 4 is an even number. 3 is an odd number. 4 times 3 is equal 12. 12 is an even number. Now we will talk about properties of division on n. The division operation is not always possible in n. For example, 12 divided by 5, the result doesn't belong to n because 5 is smaller than 12. That means n is not closed under the division operation. 2. The division operation is not commutative in n. For example, 10 divided by 5 is equal to, but 5 divided by 10, the result doesn't belong to n because 5 is smaller than 10, and that means 10 divided 5 doesn't equal 5 divided 10. 3. The division operation is not associative in n. 24 divided 4 divided 2 equal 6 divided 2 equal 3. 24 divided 4 divided 2 equal 24 divided 2 equal 12. That means 24 divided 4 divided 2 does not equal 24 divided 4 divided 2. 4. The division operation in n has no neutral element. The division of any number not equal 0 on 0 is not defined. For example, number 5, the division of any number not equal 0 on 0 is not defined. For example, 5 divided 0 is not defined because there is no neutral number if multiplied by 0 produced 5. For example, 5 divided by 0 is not defined because there is no neutral number if multiplied by 0 produced 5. Because there is no natural number if multiplied by 0 produced 5. Number 6. The division operation doesn't distribute over addition in n. For example, 60 divided by 6 plus 4 equal 60 divided by 10 equals 6. 60 divided by 6 plus 60 divided by 40 plus 60 divided by 4 equal 10 plus 15 equal 25, which means 60 divided 6 plus 4 doesn't equal 60 divided 6 plus 60 divided 4.